The Dreame L40 Ultra delivers powerful 11,000 Pascal suction with AI smart mapping for deep, precise cleaning. Its fully automatic base station handles emptying, washing, drying, and refilling for true hands-free convenience. What's in the box? In the box you find the Dreame L40 Ultra Robot Vacuum, base station ramp, mop pad, power cord, cleaning solution, dust bag, cleaning tool, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Dreame L40 Ultra, open the Dreame app, log in, and tap Add Device, then use the QR scan option. Turn on the robot, place it on the dock to power up, press and hold the two side buttons to reset Wi-Fi, and let it enter pairing mode. The app will detect the robot's Wi-Fi signal, connect automatically, and after a few confirmations, the device will appear ready for mapping and cleaning. How to use? To install the Dreame L40 Ultra base station, place it in an open area with at least 1.5 meters clearance in front and 0.5 meters on both sides, then connect the power cord and switch it on until the indicator light confirms a successful connection. Remove all protective films and shipping strips from the robot and components, install the mop pads, and dock the robot so it begins charging with a voice confirmation. Next, set up the system by filling the detergent compartment with official solution, then add room temperature tap water to the clean water tank and reinstall everything properly. Maintenance. The Dreame L40 Ultra is designed for easy maintenance and long-term performance. Keep the clean water tank filled, empty the dirty water tank regularly, and check the detergent tank, dust bag, and water channels for proper operation. Periodically clean the base station tray, charging contacts, and sensors to ensure smooth automatic dust collection, mop washing, and water management. For the robot itself, empty and rinse the dust bin, clean the reusable filter, and allow all washed components to dry completely before reinstalling. Regularly wipe the camera, sensors, and charging contacts, remove hair or debris from the side and main brushes, and wash or replace the mop pads as needed to maintain optimal cleaning performance. Smart features? Delivers exceptional suction power to remove dust, pet hair, and debris from hard floors, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas. Its advanced cleaning performance ensures a deeper and more efficient clean throughout your home. Automatically extends the mop to reach deep into corners, along edges and underneath furniture for more thorough cleaning. This innovative system helps eliminate missed spots and improves cleaning coverage throughout your home. The side brush automatically extends to sweep dirt and debris from corners, edges, and tight spaces more effectively. It can also lift when needed to prevent contamination and ensure optimal cleaning across different floor types. Automatically empties dust, washes and dries the mop pads, refills water, and adds cleaning solution when needed. This hands-free system greatly reduces maintenance, allowing the robot to operate with minimal user intervention. Advanced AI-powered sensors detect and avoid obstacles in real time while creating accurate maps of your home. This ensures efficient cleaning routes, smooth navigation, and reliable coverage with fewer interruptions. Automatically detects carpets and lifts or detaches mop pads to keep rugs dry while continuing vacuuming. It also boosts suction on carpets for deeper cleaning without manual mode switching. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Dreame L40 Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame L40 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.